Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Magic Trackpad with your MacBook Air. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start using your Magic Trackpad so that you can control the mouse on your MacBook Air. How do you actually go ahead and connect the two together? Now, first things first, you want to make sure that your Magic Trackpad is charged. As simple as it sounds, sometimes people's trackpad might be out of battery, and that's the reason why they might be running into issues. So make sure that it's fully charged. Second, once you turn on the Magic Trackpad on your MacBook Air, you want to click on System Settings, which is right over here. And then you want to navigate to where it says Bluetooth right over there. And then scroll down to where it says Nearby Devices. This is where you should see your Magic Trackpad. Now, if you don't see it, what might have happened is that your Magic Trackpad might have been connected to a previous device. So let's say that you used to use this trackpad for your iMac. Just make sure that you go onto your iMac and disconnect your Magic Trackpad so that it'll be appearing right over here. Afterwards, click on Connect, and there you have it. You can now see that my trackpad has been connected. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Magic Trackpad with your MacBook Air. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.